Welcome to everyone. The first trading robot we jerk today is called Rohan by author Yury Emeliyanov. I decided to start with it to show what you need to pay attention to when buying advisors from the site of MQL5, as well as what jerks are the most developers. Let's go.
Давайте сразу перейдем к описанию.
Let's start with the description. So the expert advisor is tailored for a specific pair of United States dollars. Swiss francs trading is conducted on a 30-minute time frame, but it can also be used on other major pairs, only with preliminary testing. In the parameters of the advisor, you can change the percent of risk per trade, a rather useful function, of course, if the advisor is profitable. The strategy is based on several top-to-bottom price and Donchian channel indicators. The transactions are opened according to the conditions of the above indicators. Below are screenshots of testing over the past 4 years. Starting balance is $100. The outcome is $159,181. The percentage of winning and loss-making trades 82-17%. It's an important moment. Accounts are best used where the spread is small and fixed. Fasipum.
Охуенно, братан! Охуенно!
I asked the author where he was about digging brokers that give a fixed spread. And he told me about that he trades on Roboforex and Forex for you. The first broker of accounts with a fixed spread did not find why he advised this broker. I do not understand. It is strange that the referral link has not thrown. But on the second it's Forex for you turned out to be 2 accounts, and with a fixed spread, it's a cent account and a classic, both of them work on 4-digit quotes. The stated fixed spread on the accounts from 2 points, unfortunately, on the spread indicator I saw these 2 points only on the pair Euros United States dollars, for the remaining majors it was held by 3 points. Friends, well, come on, Forex brokers who give a fixed spread nowadays, are you serious? It's a dead end. I've been down for 10 years. And such quotes were in early 2000s. A pity that the kitchens like that still exist in this market. To those who trades with this broker on such accounts are like in damn Tetris. I hope you don't, and if you do, you're perverts like this developer Yury. He's not making any money there anyway. Let's move on to testing. I took a couple of United States dollars Swiss francs, as recommended by the author, timeframe M30, default settings. Usually I do the optimization of advisors for a certain period. Take 1 to 2 years. Then do a forward test, but in this case, I did not do it because the advisor works very slowly, most likely because of heavy indicators or unoptimized code. It is quite difficult to work with such slow bots, and usually optimization on 2 parameters takes several weeks, and sometimes even months. I'm talking now about the advisors who are written for the terminal MetaTrader 4. And as you know, this version of the terminal uses in testing and optimization of just 1 core of your processor. The 5th version in this regard is much faster and more efficient. Of course, I talked to the developer, already for the sake of interest, because at the first run I realized that this advisor is a complete blow, despite the beautiful screens. And no less beautiful results in the tester strategies could not help me. Come on, I'm off the main topic, let's start the test. Put spread 21 as the author. Usually I take it with a reserve and always different depending on the type of strategy of the advisor. But here is another case, so we will run it with this spread. We will do it a bit later. And, to the same day, we will implement such a wonderful tool as tick dates, and for testing, the archive of quotations let's take from the Dukascopy. We press the start, we wait.
Many hours later.
Here are the excellent results we got. I also have reports on other currency pairs. Now I will show you them. It's British pounds, United States dollars and euros JPY. They also look very beautiful. After such a smart results, in the first place I check the advisor on filtration of unprofitable transactions on history, or shown in the code profitable transactions. Who is interested in how I bypass such scam advisors, write to me in person or in the comments. I will try to make a brief review for you. I purchased Rohan, so such manipulations did not have to be on the demo account. It opened the same deals as in the tester. Now see why this advisor will never make money. We take another great program called the Quant Analyzer and load our test results there. Go to the menu item analysis of transactions by time. And we see such a picture that approximately 90% of transactions were opened from 0 to 1 a.m. At this time, who does not know, a bank rollover occurs and the spread widens very much. And now back to brokers. Not a single normal broker will give a spread of 30 even 40 letters at this time. And if it does, like FOREX, then they will definitely destroy your account with requotes and slip page. I took 2 adequate brokers and analyzed the spread in this time period for the United States dollars Swiss francs pair. On Alpari the average is about 70 pips, on Ekmars it's around 100. Thus, almost all trades that were profitable will be unprofitable. The tests that Yury lays out are always made on 5-digit quotes. And he sets the spread on many of his reports not 2 points, but 2 pips. Naturally, a gorgeous picture is obtained with a huge profitability. He does this deliberately in order to mislead inexperienced buyers. From the correspondence, you can see how he claims that he withdraws $400 to $500 at a time by trading these advisors. But this is a complete bullshit. And now the results off the United States dollars Swiss francs tester CLOSE5 to real trading. I hope you understand everything. Let's look at other works of the author, and there are no fewer of them, as many as 29. While I was doing this review, Yury constructed a couple more sinkers, and most importantly, that prices are rising. I bought a Rohan for $53. Now it costs $73. Well, apparently there is a demand. In general, I analyzed all of his works. The advisors of this author have the same algorithm, with the exception of changing indicators and currency pairs. All trades are opened by advisors from 0 to 1 a.m. Of course, this strategy will only bring you losses. I also asked Yury to add a time and spread limit parameter to the advisor in order to exclude trades from trading that are open during the period of spread expansion. Although even if they are excluded, the robot will still be unprofitable based on this chart. But I was just wondering what he would answer me. The answer of Yury and the last question I asked him was whether he could show reports with real Tradisorleva signals. Well, little. And here's his answer. What am I going to say at last? Such developers on the site of MQL5 and just on the internet 99%. Always before buying as carefully as possible checking the product. For this there are all the tools. Do not buy a cat in a bag. Let's sum it up. Rohan is a simple indicator advisor, created on the designer, with a bunch of flaws, which will successfully blow up your account from any broker. Yury Emeliyanov, ordinary scam, who wants to make money on the sale of his draining robots. I'll play 10 activations of this advisor so you can try and see it for yourself. See the details of the draw on my Instagram page or group and contact. Write in the comments what kind of robot you want to take apart. Subscribe to the channel. With you was Artem Robotborets. Good luck. Bye.